Okay, this is how to hook up either a lapel mic or a shotgun mic or both into the GH4 without having to do double system sound. This is just one system to where it goes right into the camera, but you use the zoom to do it. So we have, let's just say the shotgun mic, and I'm plugging it into the zoom unit here into say channel 1, and you just have to make sure that channel 1 is armed. See, you turn it on and off like that. Make sure whatever channel you're in is armed so you're getting sound, and then check it to see if the sound is coming through. Then you come out of the bottom here, it says line out. So you plug a little double two-way sort of 1/8 inch jack, you know, stereo jack, that you would go from like your iPhone to whatever device, you know, like, so it's like a little headphone jack. You plug into line out, and then into the camera, the GH4 up here at the top, it says mic, and it's a little 1/8 inch jack, and you pop that in there. Then when you turn the camera on, if you can notice or not, now you have this thing at the bottom left down here that is the level going into. Now if I take the thing out, you're just getting the sound from the camera mic, which is, you can tell it's different. But when I plug into here, into the camera, you get this different, so in this case it's higher. So since it's in the red right there, you just have to adjust the zoom unit down here. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit, the gain into channel 1. I'm turning it down. Now if you notice, it's not in the red anymore. See, now it's better. So you have to adjust the sound going in, or else it will be distorted. So you have to really babysit this input right here from the zoom into the camera. But you can, the cool thing is you can plug a lapel mic in there and a shotgun mic, and if you're doing an interview and you have 2 lapel mics, you can do all the way up to 4 channels on here and mix them all. Make sure they're all mixed, and then whatever comes out of this will go into the camera. Like everything, all the sounds will go into, as long as they're all armed and you're getting sound here, it'll go into the GH4. You just have to make sure that it's not distorted and that it's in the white and not in the red there when you monitor that. You can also plug a set of headphones into the side of the camera here, right down below the, if I can get that open, below the fingernail. I can't get that up. Oh, it's at the top. There we go. There's a headphone jack right there. You can plug headphones into here too and listen in the GH4 to see if it's distorted or not. You know, if you have the convenience of using headphones while you're shooting, it always helps because you can tell literally if it's distorting. But I sometimes, if I can't do that, I just use the little monitor right there, the little meters, as you can see. Make sure it's not in the red. And you should be fine. And you just, whatever you get coming out of the zoom unit goes into the camera, and you don't have to sync anything up or slate anything. It's all in camera, and when you edit, all your sound is in there.